A star, on its own, is bright, powerful, and beautiful. But ever since we first looked up at the night sky, we wanted the stars to be more. So we found a way to connect them. Just like the stars in the sky, the stars of your product development team can shine individually. But to make those stars into something bigger, you have to bring faraway galaxies together. 3D Experience Works connects your entire product lifecycle in one beautifully efficient universe. From engineering and design, to manufacturing and support, to marketing, your team can collaborate effectively in a secure cloud-based environment, anytime and from anywhere, using the same real-time data. And you can adapt to what your customers are saying faster than ever. Align your stars with 3D Experience Works and create your most brilliant product yet.